Shatiqua Kia's car, the William Reynolds Agency. Love is blind. So I thought I'd give her something, maybe to help her see what everyone else isn't blind to. But I really didn't know what to give her. I mean, what do you give a woman who's trying to sleep her way into the motherhood of my kids? I already know what he gave her. The unsigned Hallmark Lust cards, the secret cashew chicken lunches. The strawberry panties. And she already has my past and his future. So, I went to the payphone on the ground floor of their sex nest and called her. I said, "This is Mrs." She said, "Mrs. who?" I said, "The Mrs. to the Mr. we've been sharing. I've got something to give you, something you should see. I'll be right up." Click. And I waited. 37 seconds later, the elevator doors opened and she just stood there, silent and stupid. I said, "You know his love isn't blind. His sees double." So I shoved my son's saliva-stained teddy bear in her hands. So here's something for you to sleep with when he's done sleeping with you.